Wix features, strengths, weaknesses. Wix is a cloud-based website builder primarily known for its drag-and-drop interface and extensive template library, currently exceeding 800 designs. A core feature is the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, that automatically creates a website based on user answers to a few simple questions. However, the core of Wix's power lies in its editor, giving users pixel-perfect control over design elements, though this level of control can also be overwhelming for beginners. Key features include Wix App Market, offering both free and paid plugins to extend website functionality, covering everything from e-commerce to marketing and social media integrations. Wix Stores provides a robust e-commerce platform, facilitating online sales, inventory management, and payment processing, although transaction fees can apply depending on your plan. Wix Ascend is another key feature, an all-in-one business solution offering tools for email marketing, CRM, invoicing, and more, tightly integrated within the Wix environment. Wix is best suited for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals who need a visually appealing website without extensive coding knowledge. It excels in creating portfolio sites, landing pages, online stores with limited inventory, and blogs. The platform's ease of use makes it an attractive option for those with limited technical skills. Key strengths include its user-friendly interface, vast template selection, all-in-one platform offering, and ADI website creation. The visual editor gives extensive freedom for customization. However, Wix has limitations. Once a template is selected, it cannot be changed, potentially leading to future design constraints. The platform's SEO capabilities, while improved, are still not on par with dedicated CMS platforms like WordPress, particularly in handling larger, more complex websites. Website loading speeds can sometimes be an issue, especially with image-heavy sites or numerous apps. Wix's pricing structure can become expensive as you add more features and storage, and the aforementioned transaction fees on some e-commerce plans are a significant factor to consider. In conclusion, Wix is a solid choice for users prioritizing ease of use and visual design, especially those needing a simple website or small online store. However, businesses with complex needs, a focus on SEO performance, or concerns about long-term scalability may find Wix restrictive. While the platform has continually improved, carefully weigh the pros and cons against your specific requirements before committing to Wix as your long-term website solution.